بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Let's see some more points relating to the independent basic service set. Now, as I said, in independent basic service set, we don't use any access point. So there is no access point used, and any device can connect to any device. But again, they don't scale because you cannot go beyond 8 to 10 devices. So more applicable when you are trying to do some kind of file sharing between the two people or two laptops, maybe some documents during the meetings, or maybe you have your own laptop and you want to connect to the printer to send out some kind of print instructions to the printer. Probably kind of temporary connection, it is more applicable. But when you go with some large scenarios, maybe this is not applicable. So again, as you know, this is also called as ad hoc network or independent basic service set. Even you can call it as a peer-to-peer or computer-to-computer network. And by default, ad hoc communications will not be able to communicate with any of your infrastructure devices by default. Means when you try to connect through your ad hoc network with a specific SSID and you want to connect this network to the wide network, by default, it's not possible because there is no centralized access point. And of course, you can do some kind of bridging of this interface to this interfaces. That's something you can still do to provide the connectivity, but by default, that is not possible.